if you're tired of making that fathead dough, come with me because today we're making some chicken crust pizza. I have seen a bunch of other keto creators making crust out of their chicken, and I had some left over. Didn't know what I wanted to do with it, so my first thought was pizza. If you want to know what's in this chicken, go check out my chimichanga video. In my chicken, I added 1 cup of fresh Parmesan, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, followed by 2 eggs beaten. Go ahead and mix that together. If your chicken is unseasoned, go ahead and throw in whatever seasonings that you like. Since mine was already done, I just transferred this to some parchment paper on my pizza pan, and I flattened it out using my spatula. About halfway through, I ended up using my hands because it was faster. Once it's flattened out, cook on 375 for 20 minutes or until your edges are brown, just like this. I then covered with some parchment paper and flipped it over. I popped it in for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. This allows for all of that moisture to set in and it bind together. I then use my Rayo's Alfredo sauce. You can use as much or as little as you would like, or you can use marinara sauce. Cover it to the edges and then added my fresh grated mozzarella, spinach, and yellow onion. I then put it back in the oven for about 10 minutes and then I hit broil for a few minutes. When I tell you this was so good, I would much rather make this than fathead dough. It was amazing. I'm definitely making this again. Let me know if you try this. Like, comment, share, and please follow for more.